Welcome back to YouTube. Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So today I know y'all wondering, man, he got a lot of chicken there. So I just cut up 2 whole chickens myself, and I'm going to be cooking some buttermilk fried chicken. So I'm gonna be seasoning with some complete seasoning. And I'm gonna just put it all over, get it mixed up in there. So I got 3 cups of buttermilk I'm gonna pour in here, and this chicken, I'm telling you, the crust on here is gonna be amazing. We're gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 4 hours. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge, let it marinate for about 4 hours. You guys stay back. So we're gonna let our chicken marinate for the 4 hours. So I'm gonna use some plain all-purpose flour, and I'm just gonna put some of that complete seasoning in here, so we can really get that seasoning in the chicken. So we got that all mixed up. I'm just gonna go ahead and start grabbing my chicken and batter it in there and get it ready to go in the grease. See, it's gonna come out looking pretty just like that. Looks amazing, right? Do y'all prefer dark meat or the white meat? So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my chicken down in the grease. While that's frying up, I'm gonna grab some of these legs and go ahead and start getting them battered up. Hey, Prissy, I got this right here. I say this out here for you. Hey, got it in the buttermilk. It's about to be dead ready, I'm telling you. All right, so hey, the chicken is done and it smells and looks amazing, man. But I'm about to go on here and try these giblets though. Man, it's even the livers and the gizzards all the way down to the teeth. So I can only imagine how the chicken tastes. Hey, I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in and checking out your boy Son of the Smoke Boss today. Hey, I look forward to bringing y'all more videos like this in the future. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.